Welcome MakeON, I'm done. Today we're gonna turn this mess in.
The mezzanine is great for storage, but it's a true nightmare to clean up with all the airborne sawdust that piles up there. I always wanted to close up the space, but I never got around it till I found a solution matching three requirements. First and foremost, it needs to be frameless, so it's easy to slide in and out stuff from there. Second, I want it to be lightweight, and third, it needs to be easily removable in case I need to. The solution came a couple of weeks ago when I was at the hardware store for paint and some other stuff, and I passed by these large corrugated plastic sheets, and I instantly thought they would be great for the job. So for this project I picked up 3 sheets of plastic, an aluminum extrusion that you'll see in a minute, 12 meters of steel cable, and some hardware. This build is pretty straightforward, even though I hit a bump down the road, but luckily it was easily fixable, and you'll see how later in the video. But enough talking for now, let's get back to the build. And we have a problem here. I was trying to pretension the cables on top to have them pretty much even, so the panels will be even before clamping them on the tensioner over there. But holding all three of them at the same time, every time I try to pull more one, I will loosen another and vice versa. So instead of wasting more time, we're gonna go to plan B. I'm coupling each cable with its own tensioner and anchor, so it's gonna be easier to fine-tune them. I also got larger anchors because the other ones basically got flattened to the wall pulling them. Later I'll cut off the excess of cord and tied up that portion of the wall, but I absolutely love the way these panel doors turned out, and they'll save me a ton of time at cleaning up the mezzanine. And as always, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, so I'll see you next time. Bye.